Good evening, I'm Carolyn Clifford.
And I'm Dave Llewellyn. Our top story tonight, poison in the pantry. The recall is on right now for curry powders, and the spice brands are listed on WXYZ.com.
An employee from the Oakland County Health Department being hailed a hero tonight for how he discovered the poison that launched the nationwide recall. 7 Action News reporter Alan Campbell spoke with a man who says he was just doing his job. Alan?
Well, Carolyn, when Richard Peresky, who works for the Oakland County Health Department, found out that a young boy was being poisoned by lead and it wasn't coming from water, he knew he and his team would have to look elsewhere within that child's home and find out where the lead poisoning was coming from and get to the bottom of it.
The child certainly had an elevated blood lead levels.
Richard Peresky is a sanitarian with the Oakland County Health Department.
We pay special attention not only to our work looking at paint and soil, but also some of the activities that the child might be engaged with.
A 10-year-old boy from Pontiac wasn't feeling good and went to the doctor. He was told he had lead poisoning.
Lead, when introduced into children, because of the smaller body size and the greater impact of the product, can lead to both temporary and permanent effects.
Symptoms of lead poisoning are abdominal pain, vomiting, and weakness, just to name a few.
If we find that the products are used regularly or might be of concern, such as some imported foods, we then perform what's called X-ray fluorescence analysis.
That X-ray found lead in curry powder the family was using.
When you're working with international markets, or even some individuals who may be not as careful when making their products, there is the potential for contamination.
The discovery led to a national recall of the curry powder under the brands Baraka, Corrado, Orlando Imports, Nuri's Syrian Bakery, Mediterranean Specialty Foods, and Butera Fruit Market. Some people say Peresky is a hero, but he says it was a team effort with everyone involved.
There was quality collaboration between Oakland County staff, nursing, nutritionists, environmental health, as well as our state and federal partners. Actually makes me feel pretty great.
And tonight, the FDA is warning folks who have that curry powder to throw it out and to not use it. For now, reporting live in Oakland County, I'm Alan Campbell, 7 Action News.
Certainly glad they worked as a team and got to the bottom of it. Thank you so much, Alan.